want to just make sure that you do not waste your money on them like I have done. Anywhere in the market, anywhere online, just run. If thrush is a word, then it is. This claims to setting spray. Oh, sorry, might shock you that. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Prakriti. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So in today's video we will talk about the products that I regret buying. Okay, so I know there's a huge sale going on Nykaa as well as Tida पे occasionally sale रहता है. So this can be very much overwhelming for us, and we often fall in trap and end up buying stuff that we don't need, or the products that don't actually work. So there are certain products that I will show in today's video might shock you a little bit, but anyways, so do watch the video not to get into the trap, and that will be pretty much of the intro. So we will quickly jump into the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos, and without any further delay now, let's get quickly jump into the video. So all of these products in my hand is what I regret buying, and individually I talk about every single one so that you understand where the problem lies. Okay, so starting with the first one is this one from Sanfei. This is what it looks like. It's basically a quick slick, basically it's a hairs, the baby hair sticking stick, and this is what the product look like. This product is, oh my god, it doesn't work. Okay, what it's supposed to do, it does not do that. So what's the meaning of buying it? And also let me tell you, this one retails for rupees 300. The MRP of this is 300. I don't know what is the problem with this. This smells too bad. It's like, I don't know, it's like it's rotten inside the tube itself. This is what it look like. It does not work at all. Do not waste your money on this Sanfei's hair, this whatever finishing stick it got. It does not do any job. And I think the water, if you put water on your like hairs, it will set more than this one. So it does nothing at all. ये तो मतलब मैं क्या ही बताऊँ. अभी मेरा हेयर अभी भी पूरा सेट है because I use the one called the Slick It Up. I got it from Amazon, and that really works, and that really helps me to get that, you know, slick looking bun whenever I'm aiming to approach that. But this one smells bad, and it's like rotten smelly, and it's too bad. Please ignore this product wherever you see it. It's just a waste of money. I want to say a very nice line on this product is that if thrush is a word, this is what it looks like. So moving to the next one, and there will be a lot of people who will hate on me, but I have to say it. Okay, this is the product that I regret buying, and I regret in general buying any product, makeup product from this brand. So I am talking about this beautiful product that is exactly a thrush again. So it's the Zudio's Glow Tint. So this is how actually the product look like. Okay, so this claims it has vitamin C and all those goodness. So basically it's a tinted moisturizer, and let me show you what it actually look like. It is this. Okay, you might think what's the problem with this? It's blending, it has this all the beautiful tint going on. There can't be an issue. Oh my god, let me tell you, there's a lot of issue with all the Zudio's makeup products in general. Let me tell you, see, as a makeup enthusiast, I do not really like, I'm scared. I'm not at all reliable on their products. I mean, their products kind of feels me, it's like a gimmicky, because what price range they provide the products, it's like too generous. Okay, and that is not it. And another concerning thing is that the price range and the product quality is like kind of a proportional thing. So I'm really concerned that what ingredients they put in it, because see, this one costed me 149 for a tinted moisturizer, which is also happens to be 30 ml. I don't know what to trust. And now if you still now not believe me that I just hate Zudio's makeups, I give you another thing. It's a story time. So it happens to be I tried their body mist, and once I just sprayed on my wrist area, it gave me that burning, tingling sensation. So I do not really know that it is only me or it happens to you all, because I have seen a lot of people even buying their lip gloss and eyeliner, which if I buy, it will give me trauma, because I do not understand. As a makeup enthusiast, I cannot really support Zudio's makeup. I'm sorry. If you love it, please use it at your own risk, because I find there is a huge potential risk. Okay, if you are using Zudio's makeup product, trust me, stop it. So definitely I just wanted to try it, if that mist is like something exceptional or is something is wrong. And when I study the ingredients and everything to price range, it feels it's a very gimmicky. I do not like, and I tell you not to use any kind of makeup products from Zudio if you want to listen to me, because I find there is certain lack of, a kind of a miscommunication I find. As a brand for the fashion industry, Zudio is killing it, but not for the makeup industry. I cannot. So yeah. And this is how quickly it oxidizes. Let me take another pump sword to make you understand. See this color and this tint. I don't know what to say. So if you are not understanding, I tell you, just give yourself little more love and do not use any Zudio product further. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we will move further and talk about a beautiful product that I thought it will be beautiful on the first place, because this brand is in the market for quite some time. They are in this affordable section of makeup product that produce affordable makeup products, and I was like, okay, let me give it a try. One of my subscribers happens to be warned me before buying this, but still I thought let me go ahead and try it. So I'm talking about this Blue Heaven long lasting makeup fixer. So before talking about what went wrong with this product, I want to let you know what a makeup fixer is. I know many of you know, but I want to really talk about why I bought this and what is the ingredients, key ingredients of any makeup fixer for that matter. So makeup fixer happens to be like fixing your makeup. It's not a setting spray. There is a lot of difference between a setting spray and a makeup fixer. It's supposed to fix your makeup, lock your makeup at the place where it is. Whereas setting spray does little bit of different things. At every layer of makeup, you can apply a setting spray just to set wherever it is. It's kind of like giving it a long lasting finish. It does also same thing, but the thing is that you apply it at the end, like last में आप apply करते हो as a makeup fixer ताकि पूरा process हो जाए, then you set it. So that is not the point of concern here. And also let me tell you why I bought this. This is I bought to make a video which says that I think lowest product or lowest price वाला जो भी product है उसको लेके मेरे को एक video बनाना था. Actually, you know what, I will attach it for which video I got this. That will make a lot of sense, but let me come to this one. So basically talking about the ingredients, any kind of makeup fixers, the key ingredients of any makeup fixer for that matter is alcohol. Okay, so alcohol, what it does is it fixes the makeup at the place where it is and makes it a lot more long lasting. So I understand that alcohol is the key ingredients, we all know by now, but the concerning thing is here the percentage of alcohol in this product is like insane. Okay, after using this particular makeup fixer, I had breakouts and whatnot. It gave me a kind of burning sensation on my face. I can tell you, I have like normal to sensitive. I'm not that all, not at that sensitive kind of girly. I'm not, but still the percentage of alcohol in it, it's very concerning and it gives me a lot of breakout. And let me tell you another thing is that this makeup fixer is so strong smelling. I mean, obviously it smells alcohol, it's like the same, but so if you are having a sensitive skin and acne related issue, do not use this makeup fixer. So it will break you out. And this is what the product and how it is look like. And let me give you a little bit of tip. If you are having a dry skin, make sure your setting setting spray for that matter as well, your makeup fixer has some antioxidants. What that will do is make your face very much moisturized and hydrated for a long time, because that what antioxidant does. And if you are having like oily skin, make sure that your makeup fixer have this certain amount of mattifying ingredients. Okay, so moving to the next product, this might shock you. Like I told, so this is called the Mars Cancel Concealer. I have talked a lot about it and I have shown you in my videos. फुल में से मेकअप करके मैं दिखा रही थी कि कैसे मैंने किया and what are the pros and cons about it. So this product, I loved it initially, but over the period of time when I used it, I understood one thing very clearly, that this product oxidized like no one business. In my first video of Mars also, when I was trying and testing it, I told this might oxidize, but I have to see it, and I have seen everything of this particular product, and I tell you, I do regret buying, but there is a little thin line, there comes a PS, so which says that, which is like this, ki if you bake, if you have applied your this concealer nice and well, and then it's supposed to oxidize after some time. That is what it does. And if you bake it nicely, like if you set it nicely, it will eventually oxidize, but you know, the time of being it oxidized will be a little slower. That's it, that's the only thing. Now I have bought it, I have to find a solution to use it, so that's why I'm saying if you bake or set it nicely, it will lot more less oxidized. And I bought this Cancel Concealer in the shade called Honey Glow, which happens to be a little bit more warmer than what my skin tone is. So that's it. That is not actually the regret thing, because it might happen that you are not selecting the correct shade, so that is not the thing to be picked out here, but the oxidation part is real. So this is the product, how it look like. And also I have to add this for real, that this, if this one does not oxidize, then it will be the best product of all time. Let me tell you, this cancels everything. It's a very nice high coverage cancel concealer, concealer I would say. So it's a very nice concealer. The only problem is that it does oxidize over a period of time. So does other concealer too, but this one way too much. So that is what I regret. And being said, this is priced at $249, which is so affordable. I think that it's a great product, but it's a little bit of concerning if you are not setting or baking your under eyes really nice and well. So this is what I regret a little bit. But yeah, I told you everything about this product. Also, you have seen me using it. If you haven't seen this video, watch it, you will understand what I'm talking about. So yeah, keep it on my hand and I tell you how does it oxidize over the period of time. Okay, so moving to the next product, again from Mars, and this product is like, it was one of the viral products from theirs as well, I'm not gonna lie, but this is like WTF product. I'm sorry for my language, but it is like, what is this ingredients? It's so bad. Even I have used this for a single shorts form of video, and after using, like what I have done kind of situation, it came in my mind, and this itself, it got rotten itself inside the pump itself, like the tube itself, whatever you say. So this is called the Mars Lip Gloss, and I got it in the shade called Mastani, the 05 Mastani. And this lip gloss is a thras. If a thras is a word, it is like how I tell you, and I will show you why I'm telling this. What is this? Like the pigment, can you see? I don't know if you can see, the pigment and the color is all separated. And if you think I have not shaken it well, or Prakriti, you haven't done it the certain way you have to, let me show you. See, you can clearly see how the pigments and the oils are separated. I have right now I have shaken it nice and well, but this lip gloss is yuck. I mean, why? The price of this one, again, the price is not concerning for Mars, because Mars itself is a very affordable brand and they do have nice products, I tell you, because all my brushes and many of their products which are into my that hota hai na collection, the filter of the filter, wo collection wala makeup mein bhi mera padta hai, but this product is not. Like, this is really a trust. Do not fall into the advertisements and the PRs, and you will end up losing some money. So this is one of their lip gloss. Do not, just do not. Yeah, it's not happening. So I just hate their lip gloss. You can get beautiful tinted lip balms at this price itself from other brands, and I think they will do justice. So this Mastani, it's the Mars lip gloss. It's just not the product. Okay, so before we move further, I will show you, I will give another swatch of this concealer and you will see how quickly, like, I don't know, you can see the difference, and that is what I'm talking about. It's very concerning. So moving to the next, it is again from Mars, and this one is the product it's a not valuable, it's not useful if you are not a makeup artist. That is it. So I'm talking about the Mars lip palette. This is how it happens to be. Let me tell you, back in the days, if it would have been 2017, ये matter करता, but I do not think, like, the options we get in the market for a lipstick, we will not go mix match and wear this palette. So if you are not a makeup artist, this palette is not for you extremely. And yeah, that is it. That is what I regret buying. मैंने थोड़ा बहुत इसको फिर भी try करने की कोशिश की है, as in there was a color theory thing, so I used it, but I do not ever in my life go for this palette, because हर एक lipstick available है जो we actually wear in a proper full size product. So इसको palette को touch करने का कोई मतलब नहीं बनता. But again, if you are makeup artist and you have to do a lot of brides and in general the party makeups and all, you can consider, because it's very affordable as such and you get a lot of color that you can play around. So that's what I regret, because I'm not a makeup artist. So yeah, that is the thing we have, and this is how the product look like. It cost me $2.99. okay, so it's a very decent pricing. If you are a makeup artist, you're gonna love this product, but I'm not, so I regret buying it. It's cost only 300 rupees, and I mean that is great for the amount of shades you get. 16 shades you get. You can mix match. It's gonna be a super luxury for you guys. I'm just kidding. I'm telling you, in general it will be useful for you if you are into the business. But yeah, this is how it look like. It's a kind of regretting product for me. Okay, so the last product of this video gonna be a super controversial product, and you gonna hate me if I say this, because there is a dedicated fan of this product right here. Even I am also in them, but then I have to talk for the mass here. So I'm talking about the Hyphen Peptide Lip Balm. Now this particular lip balm is a great lip balm. I tell you, I'm not even kidding. It's a great lip balm. And so what's it's really regretting about this product is that the particular क्या बोलते हैं इसको, essence it's got this vanilla essence, which I tell you, if you apply it, it's like if you are applying this lip balm, forget eating for that day. I mean that this product literally feels like, even if you are swallowing a water, it feels like the vanilla essence has really gone into your throat. That empowering the essence is, and I tell you, this lip balm does has this beautiful effects, and it kind of gives me an idea of the Laneige lip balm, and I also love it. I have it in a gummy bear flavor, which is also has a very beautiful smelling, but this one is way too much empowering, and for some people it might trigger. Okay, and I tell you on the behalf of everybody right there, if you are concerned with the if you're not at all like okay with the huge fragrance in your products, in your balms or moisturizers, please stay away from this product. And this literally feels like you are smelling it, you are eating it. For me, why I tell you I like it, because I do not have such problem with that with my lip balms. I'm used to that kind of essence and everything right there going on. It's like the applicator and everything of this balm is pretty good, I would rather say. And it is also one of their virals of Hyphen, I can tell you that. But the thing is, it's very overpowering, and I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it is quite concerning. And it feels like you can't eat while applying, not while applying. If you apply this lip balm, you rather skip eating. That is, I don't know if that makes sense. So basically, you know what, you will not get the taste of the food. It really happens to me all the time if I have used this. It's my chocolate flavor ice cream would taste like a vanilla, if that makes sense, because this is too empowering. Yeah, that's why I regret a little bit, and many of you will regret as well. But if you are not getting particular this vanilla kind of thing, then you can have it. I think they have in different without the vanilla also, maybe, I don't know, only the peptide lip balm maybe. So definitely grab that, because it's a great lip balm. It has beautiful ingredients in it. It got the peptide, it's got vitamin E, very hydrating, it got linoleic acid and squalene. Oh, ultimate. So it's a great lip balm, I would say. But only concerning thing is it's too empowering and your throat will ache at certain point of time, so keep that in mind. So if you have migraine and stuff and congestion like things, do not use this product, particularly in the vanilla flavor, because that is what I have and I can tell you about that. So that's it for this video. I hope you understood that why this product really regrets me, and I have told all the things that concerns me. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much.